Hello, first graders, and welcome to this special online lesson. This would normally be our in-person lesson, but because of smoke issues, we're doing it online. So let's get started. My question for you is, can you name animals that are super loud? And then, can you name some animals that are very soft? Now, I'll give an example. A lion is an animal that can be very, very loud. And a mouse is an animal that is very soft. And one of those animals is actually in our song that we're working on today. Let's find out which one it is. So our I can statements for today are I can recognize differences in music, and I can use my body to show differences in music. We're going to start by listening to this song, The Old Gray Cat. Let's take a listen.
The old gray cat is sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. The old gray cat is sleeping in the house. The little mice are creeping, creeping, creeping. The little mice are creeping through the house. The little mice are nibbling, nibbling, nibbling. The little mice are nibbling in the house. The little mice are sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. The little mice are sleeping in the house. The old gray cat comes creeping, creeping, creeping. The old gray cat comes creeping through the house. The little mice will scamper, scamper, scamper. The little mice will scamper through the house.
So my question for you is this. What is the story of the song? So if you remember the parts of the song, it's about a cat that is asleep and some mice that are going around the house and causing some mischief. And then the cat goes after the mice. So let's listen to the song again, but this time we're going to have the story on the board. Here we go.
The old gray cat is sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. The old gray cat is sleeping in the house. The little mice are creeping, creeping, creeping. The little mice are creeping through the house. The little mice are nibbling, nibbling, nibbling. The little mice are nibbling in the house. The little mice are sleeping.
Very good. So, what part of the song changed? So, when we were listening to the song, which part of it changed? The part that changed was the music got faster and louder at the end. So, when they got to the little mice all scamper, the music got faster and it also got louder. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move our hands together and apart to show the loud and soft sounds in the music. You can go back in the video and do this now. So now what I want you to do is we're going to move to the music. So what does that mean is I'm going to teach you some movements that are going to go along with the song. And then you're going to get a chance to practice the words and the melody. So you'll have a chance to do that after I teach you the moves. Here we go. All right, first graders, we are going to do the movements now. So the first part is the old gray cat is sleeping. So take your hands like this and pretend to be asleep. Then the little mice are creeping. So we're going to creep, 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 creep. Then the little mice are nibbling. You're going to grab your cheese and nibble on the cheese. Then the little mice are sleeping, so then we're going to sleep again. Then the old gray cat comes creeping. Now this is going to be a bigger creep because cats are bigger than mice. And then finally the little mice all scamper, and we're going to scamper, 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 scamper. Let's do those movements now.
The old gray cat is sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. The old gray cat is sleeping in the house. The little mice are creeping, creeping, creeping. The little mice are creeping through the house. The little mice are nibbling, nibbling, nibbling. The little mice are nibbling in the house. The little mice are sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. The little mice are sleeping in the house. The old gray cat comes creeping, creeping, creeping. The old gray cat comes creeping through the house. The little mice will scamper, scamper, scamper. The little mice will scamper through the house.
So here we have a little recorded lesson on loud and soft. Let's take a look at it.
Recorded lesson, identifying loud and soft.
Welcome, children. I'm very excited to show you my new art museum. We are going to start in the loud and soft room. If you look in your music books, you will see several of my paintings. Follow along in your books as we take a tour of the museum.
Why is this called the loud and soft room?
Well, look at the first two pictures. What do you see?
The first picture is of a marching band and the other is of a flute.
Right. One of these pictures is of something loud and the other is of something soft. Here's what makes this art museum special. Everyone, put your fingers under the picture of something that is very loud. Does everyone have their finger under one of the pictures? Now listen.
We put our fingers under the picture of the marching band, and boy, is it loud.
Now, put your fingers under the picture of something that makes a soft sound. Everybody ready?
I put my finger under the flute and it made a soft sound.
Oh, very good, very good. Let's move on to my next two pictures.
There's a train and a wagon.
Everyone put your finger under the picture of something loud. Everyone ready? Listen.
That train is really loud.
Now the wagon. Will it be loud or soft?
Soft.
Let's listen.
It's softer than the sound of the train.
Oh, marvelous, marvelous. Now step over to the next two pictures.
A lion and a kitten. This will be easy.
Then put your finger under the picture of a soft sound. Listen.
The kitten's purr is soft.
Can we hear the picture of the loud sound?
Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
Please?
All right. Let me put my earplugs in. Now, carefully put your fingers under the lion. Everyone ready?
Wow, that was really loud.
What did you say?
I said the lion was loud.
Oh, let me take my earplugs out. Oh, that's better. Yes, the kitten is soft and the lion is loud. Now, the last two pictures are lightning and raindrops. Put your fingers under the picture of something loud. Ready?
The lightning is loud.
Now, the picture that is of a soft sound. Ah, the sound of a soft rain. How nice. Now you're ready to visit our Guess What You Hear game room. What do you see?
I see two lightning bolts together.
I see a pair with the lightning first and the raindrop second.
I see a pair with the raindrops first and the lightning second.
I see two raindrop pictures together.
The raindrop pictures must stand for a soft sound, and the lightning pictures must stand for a loud sound.
I get it. We're going to hear two sounds, and we have to point to the pair of pictures that matches what we hear.
Right, you are. We'll do this 4 times. Are you ready to begin?
We're ready.
Point to the pair of pictures that match what you heard. Point to the pair of pictures that match what you heard. Point to the pair of pictures that match what you heard. Point to the pair of pictures that match what you heard. Good listening, everyone. Quickly, children, quickly. I think it's time to end our tour of soft, yikes, and loud.